it's me, Ella the Inventor Girl, and today we're gonna make a clam pose. Now this is the finishing product because I already made one. And yeah, my mom said, oh, you need to put that on Inventor Girl. So yeah, you're gonna need 2 coffee filters, white ones, 1 pipe cleaner and tape, and these, and then this. That's tape. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take some tape and then you're gonna put the coffee filter on top. Kind of challenging. And then try and tape it. Now you may need a grown-up to help, but here's my suggestion. First, put the tape on the coffee filter, then tape it on. Alright, now we're gonna put it on. So we're gonna put tape here, and put tape there. There. Now you may be wondering, so now what? Alright, so now we're gonna need even more tape to invent. Then we're gonna kind of close it like this, and we're gonna do the same thing. Put tape right there, like that, and then put it on. Then do the same thing on the other side, okay? And there. Now we need the pipe cleaner. And we're gonna go ahead and poke 2 holes kind of next to each other. Be super careful. If you're young, like under the age of 5 or 6, you may need someone to supervise you because pipe cleaners are sharp, if you did not know that. There. Good. Now you're going to poke one end through the pipe cleaner. Then you're going to take the other end and poke it through the other hole in the pipe cleaner. See? There. Like that. Then pull it all the way through. Try not to whip it. So you may have to do what I'm doing and put my fingers there as I push. Good. And there. Now you're going to twist it like that. There. Now you may be thinking, so now we're going to take some tape and choose where you, and then put it in the front and tape it down. There. Now, if you like, you may want to tape the sides down. It's up to you. I think that I'm going to go ahead and tape it down. And then tape the outside. Silly clamshell. Get away from me. There. And ta-da! That's your clam pose. Oh, and there's one more thing I did not mention that you're going to need. Well, it's not super important, but if you want to put something in there, a good idea is something like kind of special. So right here, I have some cool art things that I could use. Let's see here. This is interesting. Could put this in there, right? Gonna fold it up and put it in. So fold it up and slip it in. Now you can use anything, like actually anything that will fit inside your clam pose. But yeah, that's how you make it. Hello. Alright, so yeah, bye!